2 weeks into U.S. President Donald Trump's 90-day grace period, pausing steep tariffs, Taiwan's economy minister J.W. Guo says the country is still working out the best way to buy American natural gas, a deal that could help narrow its large trade surplus with the U.S. that Trump has criticized.
我们中油跟阿拉斯加是有签订这个叫做 memorandum。那这个实际上，我想它能够供应的时间，那么这个能够产出多少，那国内的需求大概有多少，这个都要经过在更详细的评估。
President Lai Ching-te has been doubling down on importing more U.S. natural gas and oil, which he says is a major issue in Taiwan's tariff negotiations with Washington. Lai is seeking to lower the U.S.'s so-called reciprocal tariff on most Taiwanese goods from 32% to 0%. Even before Trump's sweeping tariff announcement, Lai expressed interest in a $44 billion Alaskan natural gas pipeline, appearing with Alaskan Governor Mike Dunleavy at a recent business dinner in Taipei.
Alaska is the source of high-quality natural gas, and its relatively short distance from Taiwan facilitates transportation.
Without official diplomatic ties with the U.S. or a free trade agreement, Taiwan has limited tools for negotiations.
Our administration right now, at least they are genuinely want to talk with the Trump administration. So that's the reason why you see like when Trump holding the following up press conferences, Taiwan is no longer being mentioned anymore. Like if you ask me like the strategy works or not, I don't know, but I think at least this is a good start that to talk to each other.
The world economy has been reeling from Trump's tariff plans, the International Monetary Fund slashing its outlook, projecting global growth in 2025 will slow to 2.8% from 3.3% last year, the lowest rate since the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite that, the IMF has raised Taiwan's individual 2025 forecast, predicting its GDP will grow 2.9%, beating out others in the region like Japan, South Korea, and Singapore.
If you compare with the other emerging markets, inflation rate last year, Taiwan's inflation rate is actually smaller. So our central bank did a good job. Okay, secondly, it's the relative exchange rate between the US dollar and the new Taiwan dollar. It's relatively stable, because we could see from like the US dollar to the Japanese yen, US dollar to the British pound and euro, US dollar actually are weakening.
Despite a relatively stable domestic market, economists say the ultimate trade shock caused by Trump's still evolving economic policy is far from clear. Pressure still on Taiwan to strike a good deal with the U.S. before the 90 days are up. Howard Chang, Joseph Wu, and Joyce Tseng for TaiwanPlus.